Welcome back to Abby's Tech channel. Hope you are fine. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Vechain crypto. What's the price changes occur in the Vechain crypto? What's the price changes? What's the high price of Vechain crypto? And is it the best time to buy, sell, or hold Vechain crypto at this period? I'm going to show you in this video. So before starting this video, if you don't subscribe my channel, friends, so first of all, please subscribe my channel for more this kind of videos. Now let's see the live price prediction of Vechain crypto in the cryptocurrencies markets. What's the price change occur in the Vechain crypto? Let's see on the screen. As you can see now on the screen, that is a live price prediction of Vechain crypto in the previous last 1 hour. Absolutely good news for all Vechain holders. As you can see now on the graph of the Vechain crypto, so it tells us they take a jump, and in the middle of this, however, they take a small fall. As you can see here, they take a small dump. Why they take a small dump? Because it is a start of new month, as you know, that is the start of a brand. That is why a lot of people want to sell it, and a lot of people want to buy it. That is why the small jump attacks in a Vechain crypto at this period. But don't worry, if we see the current situation of Vechain crypto, so they are goes up. So that is why my suggestion, first of all, for you to hold it. If you are a Vechain holders, to hold it. And please also share your opinion in the comment box. What's your opinion about Vechain crypto? Please share in the comment box. And as we see the changes of the Vechain crypto in the previous last 1 hour, so the changes is about 0.63% change occur in the Vechain crypto in the previous last 1 hour, and the high price of Vechain crypto is about $0.094265 is the high price of Vechain crypto in the previous last 1 hour, friends. That is a live price prediction of Vechain crypto in the previous last 1 hour you are watching now. Now let's see the previous 2 hour result of the Vechain crypto and the Vechain cryptocurrencies markets. What's the, as you can see here, the 2 hour price prediction of Vechain crypto after great falls. The previous 2 hour they start jumping upward, you can see here. So that is why my suggestion for you to hold it. Soon they take a high jump. That is why I told you to hold it. As you can see here, the changes is also in positive 0.29% change occur in the Vechain crypto in the previous 2 hour, and the high price of Vechain crypto is about $0.094525 is the high price of Vechain crypto in the previous 2 hour. Friends, that is a live price prediction of Vechain crypto in the previous 2 hour and the previous last 1 hour. You are watching now on ABS Tech channel. If you want this type of more news and update about cryptocurrencies market, so please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more videos.